Hello, welcome to our Lean meetings. My name is Arek Zwierzchowski, and today I'm going to tell you about the final selections of solutions within our complex problem solving. As you may remember, the complex problems should be solved according to the pattern facts, reasons, solutions. Now we are in the final stage. So, after our brainstorming session, we got the short list of the best unique ideas with an initial ranking, and now it's time to make some evaluation and decide for the best ones. How to do it? We need to have criteria. It's perfect if you have criteria matching to your business, to your team, to your process, which will help you to make a final decision. But if not, I will present you two tools which may be helpful for decision making. Of course, we have more tools applicable for decision making and evaluation of solutions and so on, but these two are the most common. Okay, the first one is the PVA matrix. This is project value assessment. How it is built? We have two axes, effect and effort. Effort is usually the cost involved with implementation, on the time you need to spend on it. And the task of your 6-person team, or generally your team, is to allocate properly the ideas to the diagram. So during this job, you will find it quite difficult sometimes to decide within a team which is the best area on the diagram. I would advise that generally this is the time for your short discussion. During this discussion, you may come to the criteria which we will first define and later apply. And generally, the ideas which will be located in this part of the diagram probably will be your quick wins. What does it mean? These are the ideas which can help you quite fast because they have big effect with relatively low effort. And the next one probably will be these ones, high effect and high effort. But for these ones probably we need some decision makers to undertake decision. Anyway, when you finish with this, you will have a prioritized list of what to do and in which sequence. The next tool which may be helpful is the decision matrix. This is much more precise because it has already criteria predefined. Of course, you can change it, but this may be helpful to you. How to use it? Here you put your ideas on the list, and here it's the time with your team to answer several questions. For example, the questions may be, is the idea cheap? Is it easy to implement? Is it one of our 3 top ideas? Can we do it by ourselves? I mean to implement it. Can we do it within 3 weeks? Can we expect big savings? And so on and so on. And then you get the scores together, and of course these ideas with highest ranking will be preferably the best to apply. And like in the previous example, you will need to prioritize it and the decision of your decision maker about implementation. You have two safety buffers here. The first one is it urgent? It means something can be changed in your company, like regulations may be changed, or maybe some decision maker is supposed to quit, so you need to hurry up. And the second is priority. Even if you get high scores here, for some reasons maybe it is not your priority, so you may change it a little bit. And then you need to decide for the deadline and the person responsible to apply. And when you are done with your prioritization list, regardless the method, you just move them to the action list, to regular monitoring of implementation within your team. So, pre-selection, criteria, final evaluation and action. Thank you very much for your attention, and I would like to invite you to our next Lean meeting. Goodbye.